Hey, my name is Kurt Runger, and I'm the managing member of Douglas and Runger, which is a Memphis law firm. And we help navigate our clients through the difficult and oftentimes emotional divorce process by protecting what is most important to them, their minor children, and their assets. One question that I routinely get from people who are contemplating a divorce is, do I have to get an attorney to handle my divorce? And the answer is no. You do not technically have to get an attorney to handle your divorce. You could try to do it yourself, and you may be successful doing it, but you can also walk from Los Angeles to New York City, but it's a lot easier to actually fly there. So that is the answer that I would give you. And what happens is there's a lot of misinformation out there, especially on social media, about people saying, "Oh, girl, you don't need to get an attorney involved. I paid." A couple $100 for these divorce forms online, and I did it myself. And the problem with that is number one, it's not true. All right. And the other problem with it is when we file a divorce complaint in Shelby County, your case randomly ends up in one of 12 different courtrooms. And so, we have male judges, we have female judges, we have strict judges, we have judges that are, a little bit more laid back. But every one of those courtrooms has a divorce referee, and the divorce referee is basically the gatekeeper between the pro se litigants, if you're trying to represent yourself, or the lawyers, if you have a lawyer, and the judge. And so all of these forms that have to get completed in order to get a divorce in Tennessee, they have to be cleared by the divorce referee. So the divorce referee goes over all of the documents that you may have downloaded online or paid for somebody online and makes sure that all the information in there is correct. And the problem is you're not an attorney, and so there's a disadvantage in the sense that you don't know how to actually fill out those forms. And we see this on a weekly basis in Memphis. We see people who try to represent themselves go in front of the judge, and a lot of times it's been the third or fourth time they've been in front of the judge, and they still can't get the forms done correctly. And ultimately what happens a lot of time is the judge or the divorce referee just basically tells them, hey, you need to go get a lawyer. And so they end up having to hire a lawyer anyway, and they waste a lot of time going through, trying to do all this stuff themselves. They get frustrated with the process, and then they ultimately have to get an attorney anyway. So the easiest thing to do is just do the smart thing, get a lawyer involved from the start. If you have any questions about the divorce process, please give me a call. My number is 901-388-5805. Once again, my name is Kurt Runger. My number is 901-388-5805. Thank you.